Transform your bathroom in Clinton, Utah, 84015 with EagleRidge's expert remodeling services. Whether you're looking to upgrade your shower, install new fixtures, or completely renovate the space, our skilled team ensures high-quality craftsmanship and attention to detail in every project. From modernizing outdated bathrooms to enhancing functionality with smart technology and energy-efficient fixtures, we offer customized solutions to meet your needs. Our remodeling services cover everything from design and planning to demolition, plumbing, electrical work, tile installation, and final finishing touches. We specialize in installing tubs, showers, enclosures, sinks, toilets, mirrors, lighting, cabinets, and flooring, ensuring a seamless transformation that enhances comfort and style. By upgrading your bathroom, you can improve water efficiency, reduce utility costs, and increase the overall value of your home. Our team also offers accessibility modifications, such as walk-in tubs and grab bars, making your space safer and more convenient for all household members. EagleRidge is dedicated to delivering exceptional results with a hassle-free process, guiding you from the initial consultation to the final cleanup. Whether you prefer a sleek, minimalist look or a luxurious spa-like retreat, we tailor every detail to match your vision. For a free estimate, call EagleRidge in Clinton at 801-784-1457 and let us help you create a bathroom that blends beauty, functionality, and modern convenience.